First, listen and repeat the words. Car, teddy, scooter, kite, doll, ball, robot, train, dinosaur, computer game. It's fast. It's slow. It's new. It's old. It's big. It's small. Now watch and say the words. Car. It's old. It's fast. Ball. Robot. It's big. Kite. Teddy. Computer game. Doll. It's new. Dinosaur. It's small. Train. It's slow. Scooter. It's big. It's fast. Teddy. It's old. Robot. It's small. Computer game. Car. Doll. Scooter. It's new. Ball. It's slow. Train. Kite. Dinosaur. Now answer the questions. Is it a kite?
No, it isn't.
Is it fast?
No, it isn't.
Is it a doll?
Yes, it is.
Is it a train?
Yes, it is.
Is it new?
Yes, it is.
Is it old?
No, it isn't.
Is it a car?
No, it isn't.
Is it big?
Yes, it is.